Police Brigadier General Roderick Augustus B. Alba was designated as the new Regional Director of Police Regional Office 7, PNP Chief Rodolfo S. Azurin Jr. announced today. Police Brigadier General Alba, a member of the Philippine National Police Academy, tagapagpatupad, class of 1992, replaced Police Brigadier General Roque Eduardo D.P. Vega, who compulsory retired today. Alba, as the 36th Chief PIO, was appointed in October 2021 during the tour of duty of then Chief PNP Police General Guillermo L. Iliazar. Prior to his reassignment, Alba served as Chief of the PNP Public Information Office for over a year. He was previously assigned as Deputy Chief of PNP Information Technology Management Service, Officer in charge of Negros Occidental Police Provincial Office, Provincial Director of the Iloilo Police Provincial Office, Chief Regional Operations and Plans Division of Police Regional Office 6, and other command staff and training assignments as a senior PNP officer. I am confident that Central Visayas is in good hands with General Alba at the helm. His competence, commitment, and work ethics bespeak his leadership approach, and so I entrust him to lead the more than 11,000 strong personnel of Police Regional Office 7 to raise the bar of excellence in public service, PNP Chief Azurin said. The turnover of command ceremony was held at Camp Sergio Osmeña Sr., Osmeña Boulevard, Cebu City, presided by no less than the Chief PNP.